Yes. Perchance is completely 100% free. There are no hidden credit systems, no pro tiers you have to upgrade to for better quality. It is ad-supported, which keeps the servers running without charging you a dime. Is it unlimited and no account needed? Yes and yes. This is its superpower. You do not need to create an account, sign in with Google, or give them your email. You just open the URL and start typing. There are effectively no limits on how many images you can generate per day, though you might wait a few seconds in a queue during busy times. What about data safety and privacy? Privacy is decent, but manual. Since there is no account, they don't store a user profile on you. However, by default, images are generated in your browser. Important, be careful with the public gallery checkbox. If you don't uncheck it or if you hit Save to Gallery, your image goes to a public feed. For maximum privacy, simply generate your image, save it to your device, and close the tab. Perchance uses a mix of stable diffusion and flux models. It's incredibly flexible for things like anime, RPG characters, and uncensored creativity. It's a sandbox tool, meaning it's a bit messy but infinitely powerful.